Hello lecture laners. Today we'll be looking at trying to solve 2 to the power of x equaling x to the power of 2. Now to solve for x we need to be aware of one important function, and that is the Lambert W function. How this works is if you apply the Lambert W function to a number multiplied to e to the power of that number, then it is equal to that number. So this is going to help us solve this question. The first thing I'm going to do is utilize our log rules by doing the ln of both sides. Using our log laws, I can then drag these two indices in front. So this will become 2 ln of x and x ln 2. Now it's an absolute value because x squared is always positive, so that must stay positive. Then I'm going to rearrange my equation to become 1 on x ln absolute value of x, and that will be equal to a half ln 2. Now, remember back to our Lambert W function. So our goal is to try and get this AEA appearing on our left-hand side. Now, because we have this absolute value, that means we're going to have two case scenarios. When x is greater than 0 and when x is less than 0. Let's look at the first case. If x is greater than 0. If that's the case, what I'm trying to do now is make our AEA start appearing. Now, because of log rules, that means I can drag this negative down. And therefore, now we have something we can utilize via the Lambert W function. If I apply this function to both sides, what I'll now have is 1 on x equal to the Lambert function of a negative half ln 2. Therefore, x is equal to 1 on w negative a half ln 2. And solving this will give the answer of 2. However, as the Lambert W function is a multi-valued function, that means it can have multiple answers if it has different subscripts. Therefore, if we use the subscript 0, we will get an answer of x equals 2. However, if we use a subscript of negative 1, we will also get the answer of 4. And as you can see, 2 to the power of 2 will equal 2 to the power of 2. And 4 to the power of 2 equals 2 to the power of 4. So these scenarios all are correct. However, let's not forget about our second case, when x is less than 0. When x is less than 0, what that really means is that 1 on x ln minus x is equal to a half ln 2. So now we're going to follow the same steps as we did previously. Now we can apply our Lambert W function to both sides. and we'll get that negative 1 on x is equal to the Lambert W function of a half ln 2. Therefore, x is going to be equal to negative 1 on the Lambert W function of a half ln 2. And this gives an answer of negative 0.7666. So there are our three solutions for 2 to the power of x equaling x to the power of 2. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.